26. Meteorologist Brian Niznansky.
All right, an area of low pressure developing down to the southwest of us, and by the time it reaches us later on today, it will be a very powerful area of low pressure. Now, the pressure may be down to around 976 millibars. Why this number is significant? This is very comparable to tropical storms or hurricanes as far as pressure goes. Now, of course, there's other characteristics that aren't as common, but again, as far as the pressure goes, this will be a very intense storm. In fact, with that pressure change, we will also have some very gusty winds later on this evening. So, wind advisory in effect across northeastern Wisconsin for the yellow counties you see here. Winds could be gusting up to 50 miles per hour later on tonight and into tomorrow. The wind advisory from midnight tonight through noon tomorrow. Also a high wind warning for the orange counties down to the south, Fond du Lac and Sheboygan counties under this high wind warning where the winds could be even higher. So again, pretty dangerous as we head into tonight. Now through the day today, tonight and into tomorrow, most of us are under a winter weather advisory through tomorrow morning. Winter storm warning for Menominee County, Michigan and Langlade County and points northwest of there. That's where the heavier snows will be. For most of us, it'll be a combination of some rain, sleet, and snow, eventually changing over to just plain old rain. Here's the precision radar, and this morning down towards Fond du Lac and Sheboygan, we're already starting to see some of this wintry mix move in and possibly already edging into, say, Oshkosh and Chilton, and it is tracking farther north. You probably have about a half hour in Appleton and then probably Green Bay about an hour or so before this wintry mix arrives. Here's the bigger picture, and you can see down towards Milwaukee some pretty good icing. In fact, I've been looking on Twitter. I've been seeing lots of pictures of lots of slush, lots of slop, and lots of ice on the roads down towards Milwaukee. Let's go through Precision Cast. This is 8 o'clock. We have the wintry mix across northeastern Wisconsin. Eventually, we'll probably change to just mainly old rain as we head into late this afternoon and this evening, while very heavy snows will be flying to the northwest of us. By 8 o'clock this evening, again, the wintry mix, and eventually by overnight tonight, everybody changes over to all snow. So in general, most of us will be under a wintry mix through the day today, where snow accumulations will be fairly minor, maybe a couple inches of slush, but those snow amounts will eventually go up the farther northwest you go. It's 30 degrees in Appleton, 29 in Green Bay, so temperatures are below freezing, so we are very concerned about some ice on the roadways later on this morning. 28 in Shawano, 30 in Chilton, 34 in Manitowoc. Your temperature trend will bring our temperatures down as we head on into the weekend and into next week especially. So staying on the warm side of this storm system, wintry mix of precipitation and some slick roads, and also becoming very windy tonight and tomorrow. The bulk of the precipitation this morning has been to the south of us, but all this is tracking north. Your forecast today, periods of wintry mix to eventually just some rain, around an inch of snow, 38 for your high for tonight. Very windy, rain to changing to snow again, 1 to 2 inches of snow possible. Your 10-day forecast brings in colder weather once again, 15 on Sunday, 12 on Monday. Low temperatures will be well below zero next week, and we may not even hit zero next week on Friday.
I can't believe it's getting that cold again.
It looks like, actually, the computer models are showing a cold snap that could be very comparable to what we had at the end of January, which...
Polar vortex?
Yes, back again, yeah.
All right, thank you, Brian. When we come back...